Welcome to TechTubers. In my last video, we talked about Arduino, introduction to Arduino. So as I mentioned in my last video, today we are going to talk about how to program your Arduino with IDEs. So today we are going to talk about IDEs, and so that open up your browser and just go to the arduino.cc, and it will take you to this website. So now we have to make an account on arduino.cc. If you have any account on Arduino website, so you can just sign in, or if you don't have, just follow this step. Click on sign in button and it will take you to this. If you have any account on Arduino, so just log in and carry on, and if you don't have, just follow this step. Click here on create a new account, and you can see here, so I am going to write tech support. You can choose any username for yourself, and just I'm going to view my email. Just it is a temporary email, so you can tech support @ here I am using my temporary email, so you can give your own email also here, and just generate the password. And just check all the boxes and click on create account. I don't want to save this password or an email. Oh, sorry, it is showing this visual taken, so I can 2143. Let's try again. And yes, our account is successfully done. After creating account on Arduino, you will get an email to verify your account. So just go to your email and activate your account. After activating your account, just go to this software here, drag your pointer to this software, and here you can see this two options, online tools and downloads. So to program your Arduino board, you can choose online tools, and you can download your personal IDE also. So I'm going to choose online tools first, and we are going to look for IDE also. So first, online tools, click here and it will take you to the arduino.create. Here you can see this all stuff, getting started, Arduino project hub. You can take any of this project and make for your own self. So I'm going to focus on Arduino web editor, so just click on that and it will take you to the Arduino web editor, and welcome. It says that welcome to Arduino web editor, and just quick tour. So I'm not gonna take this quick tour, so click on no thanks, and boom, here you can see this your personal web editor for Arduino board. So now what we have to do is just program here what you want and upload to your IDE, but this is not that simple. What we have to do is just go to the help and scroll down here. Here you can see this Arduino create plugins. So you have to download the plugins to connect your Arduino board with your PC. In IDE, these are some different configurations. So go to this tab and download this plugin for your PC. So I already done that. for me, so I'm not gonna do that. But if you don't download this plugins, your web editor will not work for your Arduino board. So download it, and just it will give you the .exe file, and you have to run in your computer or your PC. So I'm not going to do that. I have already this plugin file installed in my PC. So here you can see this stuff here when you connect your board. So let me just connect my board here. You can see here select board or port. So when I connect my board with my PC, it will automatically choose the port and my board's information. So just select yes, and I connected my Arduino Uno with my PC, and it selects COM port 10 and Arduino Uno board. So it because of we installed plugins in this PC, so it will select automatically. But if you don't install your plugins in PC, it will not work for you, and you cannot manually select your board and your COM port. So anyway, you have to download that plugin and install in your PC. So here you can see the sketchbook. You can manage your sketchbook online, anywhere, everywhere. So just write a code here and select compile, verify. You can verify your code here also, and just upload to your board. So this is the web editor. You can see here examples also. You will get examples for your Arduino Uno board here. See, from libraries and built-in. So here you can see this basics, digital, analog, communication, control, sensor. We will talk about this later in our next videos, some videos. So you can see here, these all are examples. Let's take a look at that analog read serial. This is the sample program. You can example program for your Arduino Uno board. So these all are examples. Anyway, let's go ahead. Here you can see libraries. If you want to connect any other third-party sensor or any third-party board with your Arduino, so you have to download library for that. So it will give we will talk about this later. This is the monitor for input output purposes. So here you can see these values. When I last uploaded my program to my Arduino Uno, I am working with sensors, playing with sensors, so it is showing me just input output values for my sensors, nothing else. So what is monitor? Monitor is a give you the input output values for your sensors and your another stuff, digital and analog stuff. So you can take a help of that very much. Here you can see the help. Here you will get help about this web editor. You can see here preferences. Nothing to do with that. So now let's go to our IDE. So here you can see the downloads. Just click on that, and here you can see this Arduino 1.8.12. You can download IDE for your Linux, Mac, and Windows also. So I have already installed this in my PC, so let's take a quick tour of that. Open. And yes, now we are here. You can see sketchbook examples, close, save, service, page setup, and all this stuff. And yes, when you save your code in Arduino IDE, it is called a sketch. So the collection of your codes is called a sketchbook. In another, like a C, you can call it a C file, and in Java you can call it a Java program or a Java file. Like that we can call Arduino program as a sketch. So let's take a quick tour of that. You can see here all that stuff, verify, and as we done in web editor, here you can see the verify and compile. You can compile your program after writing your program. You can compile it for your any errors and any mistakes, and finally you can upload it to your board, and you can export your binary file also. You can include library from here if you are using any third-party sensor or any third-party libraries or third-party code for your work. You can do it from here also. You can see here tools. This is our main. You can archive your sketch. You can reload also from here. Manage. You can manage your libraries from here also. So let's see that. You can see here, this is the library manager. You can download third-party libraries or Arduino libraries and another libraries from here. So let's close it and see other stuff. You can see here serial monitor. Yes, as we seen in web editor, you can see here this serial monitor here also, and it is giving me those values again. So I'm going to upload this sketch in my board. So you can see here nothing is written here, so I'm uploading this code, and let's see if it is working for my board. So you can see here this compiling sketch, and it is uploading, and uploading done. So now let's see our serial monitor, and yes, it's not showing me any value. So what it does, so when I upload my program in my Arduino board, it is rewrite my last program and just erase my board and re-upload new program into my board. And as a new program is loaded in my board, it is not meant to do anything. So you can see here it is not returning any values. And here you can see board info. You can see here my board is Arduino Uno, and it is pre-selected. So you can select if it is not working for your board, and sometimes when you are using pirated boards like any generic Arduino board, so it's not gonna work for you. So you have to select manually your board from here, and I plug my board in COM port 10, so it is showing me COM port 10, and you can get your board info from here. You can see here my board info. So let's check. You can see here burn bootloader and all of that other stuff. We'll talk about it later. So this is all about our Arduino IDEs. In our next video, we are going to talk about how to program and which languages are used to program our Arduino board. So thank you for watching our video. Stay tuned, and if you have any query, just comment down below.